So here is my week 4 um, classic dish and wine pairing. It is individual quiche Lorraine with a petite mesclun salad with shaved red onions. It's garnished with bacon lardons. The salad has a blackberry balsamic vinaigrette. The quiche Lorraine is the classic dish. Quiche Lorraine is a simple dish of eggs, cream, salt, pepper, and bacon. To kind of modernize it, I did an individual quiche Lorraine, which I cut into 3 pieces for plating purposes mainly. Also on the inside, along with the bacon, I added a little bit of blue cheese and chives, which is what you see on top. And then I put the same bacon that's inside is what I garnished the plate with. And so I paired that with a 2013 Sauvignon Blanc. I used the approach number 1, which is imitating the weight of the wine and the food, so that neither one overpowers the other. I chose these two because the quiche is a light dish, but at the same time is still filling. The egg is, it's pretty filling, but it's still a very light dish. It's a small portion. The portion altogether, if you can see, is not much bigger than a monkey dish, basically. But it's still, a filling meal. And then the wine, the Sauvignon Blanc, is light, but it's dry. It's not real fruity, so it's got a little bit of body to it. I think they go well because neither one is really strong. The dish is doesn't have real strong flavors to it. The salad is lightly tossed in the vinaigrette, so there's not a ton of it. You don't see it dripping off. It's just lightly coated. And then the wine is it's, like I said, it's not fruity. It's got a little bit of body to it. It's not real dark. Got a little bit of tannin to it. So that's my dish. I did the quiche has got a classic pastry crust, which is just butter, flour, salt, and instead of using ice cold water, I use vodka, which I can put in the freezer for hours and get it super cold and it won't freeze. It completely evaporates, so it gives a nice crisp crust. And then there's, in the filling, there's eggs, cream. There's more cream than eggs, so it's a really creamy. And then a little bit of blue cheese, which, I don't want it to overpower. So, as you can see, it's not really eggy. It's more like almost like a creme brulee consistency. You taste mostly the bacon. And a little bit of blue cheese. Like I said, maybe in And each one of these little individuals that I made, I put maybe a tablespoon, a little bit less than a tablespoon, maybe 2 teaspoons of crumbled up blue cheese in it, and then probably the same amount of bacon. If I was, I might order this at a restaurant. It's very light. It's a lunchtime type of meal. Not too filling, but it's at the same time you won't be hungry afterwards. So that's my plate. The 2013 Sauvignon Blanc and the modernized quiche, individual quiche Lorraine with bacon chives and blue cheese, with a petite mesclun salad tossed with shaved red onions and a blackberry balsamic vinaigrette. And that's it.